deal is, if you really want to be a speaker, we set a price so that you can feel it.
iSpeak is about taking each and every person, a person's past, everything that they bring to the table, and teaching them how to package it up and tell their story.
Listen, the first thing you need to do is go to walterbond.com, click coaching, and click iSpeak, and sign up. When you see the price, you'll be blown away.
Hi, my name is Lee Rubin, and I am here to strongly endorse the work of Walter and Antoinette Bond and iSpeak. I've had the privilege of working with them. My business is so much further along, and I have saved so much time and money because of my interaction and the training and the development that I have received from them.
If you want to take your speaking career to the next level, you need to learn from the best.
The last 12 months that I've been involved in this coaching program, I've seen my results grow exponentially.
Not only are Walter and Antoinette our biggest cheerleaders, but they don't give us vague ideas. They give us practical advice, things that we can put into practice. Not only that, they keep us accountable, keep us moving, and keep us knowing what we need to do in this business. Speaking is more than just getting in front of people. It's knowing how to market yourself, and these guys know how to get it done.
Last year, I did more than 100 events because of the things that I learned from Walter Bond in his coaching program.
You will cut short your learning curve. You will save lots of money by working with them. They have been awesome. They have been excellent. They have been responsive. You need to work with iSpeak.
This is Walter Bond, and welcome to iSpeak.